Alright guys, so welcome to a video with me, the Stock Dad, another recap video tonight. It's a little late for you guys in the East Coast, but this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to be going over my trade that I got into today, as well as the data that came out, what went right and what went wrong, and kind of just a recap of what I thought as the data came out today. So sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Okay, so right here you guys see that I have my just thought process as the data came out this morning. I'll tell you exactly what play I got into and why, and kind of when I actually got into that, so you guys can learn as we go through this video. So at market open, we did have a little bit of bullish flow, but this is not enough for me to really figure out what's going on. It wasn't until 6:45 is usually when I start to see something go on, and that's exactly what happened here. So at 6:45, you can see that calls started to ramp up, and then we had the 495 positive GEX level, which indicated to me that we were going to get a support level around there. So that was everything that I got right when the market opened, 15 minutes after the market opened. And it's especially good to see call flow ramping up like that. And I wish I would have posted a little bit more as the play developed when I got into it, but I was managing that position well, so I was paying attention to that and not more so posting. But I can show you the entry and exit that I got into in my other channel here. But this was almost an hour after the market opened. You can see that call flow was at about 30 million net, which is insane for how early it is in the market. It gave me the vibes of last Friday when we had just the trend up day. Now today it didn't end up being a full trend day. We kind of consolidated a little bit. We did move up, but it wasn't as strong as a move as it was on Friday. But still, nonetheless, this is still bullish, and that's just what I thought as I was watching this data come in. Is okay, I'm going to be looking for long entry, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, so just going back here at this 495 GEX level, so you can see we broke down below that 496 level in the morning, and we were getting a strong move down. So I was looking to play calls off that 495 level, and if we go on over to the chart here, you can see right here, this is the 495 level right here. We didn't quite get to the 495 level. We actually hit 495.35. Still, nonetheless, we got a strong bounce, and then convergence helped me get into that play as well. So if we scroll on over here to my alerts channel here, you can see that I alerted calls at 6:53 in the morning. I got some 0 days, which is very unlike me, but flow is so strong enough for me to get into it. So it looks like I did post a little screenshot of when I got into it. You can see that green convergence flipped. We got a strong move off that 495.40 level or so, and we started to head back up with the convergence and flow lining up together. So with all that together, I ended up with starting trimming at 50% on my contract, and these ran all the way up to 200% about an hour later. So very, very awesome trade, and it's especially good when you see momentum head up that way and convergence line up perfectly. So that was the play that I got into today. Let's go back over here to my thought process channel and see what the data looked like for the rest of the day. Now the rest of the day was a little bit it was definitely harder to grasp the data later on in the day than it was in the morning, but that's okay because there was a lot of consolidation after that big strong move up in the morning. But still, nonetheless, we were bullish, and there was still another move that you could have got in with convergence flipping back green. There were two really, really good trades with convergence. Okay, so one thing that actually did throw me off, the wrong that threw me off, was this 495 GEX level started to go down. But what definitely kept me out from going short was the flow, right? So since flow was super, super bullish for most of the day, that kept me out from going towards that 495 level. So since that was negative, usually that means that price is going to follow towards that level. But since we held this 497 level for most of the day, I remained bullish for the most part. So since we came up here, touched 498, came back down and bounced off 497 GEX. that gex level quite a bit. Now, if we did break and hold below that 497 level, I would have been like, okay, we're going to go short towards that 495 gex level, but that's not what happened. And you can see that convergence kind of confirmed that move back up there. You can see that it caught a nice move back up to 498, was about when we topped there in the market today. So other than that, guys, it's pretty much just a choppy day. We hung out around that 498 level for most of the day. It's pretty much what we closed at as well on this Wednesday evening. So yeah, that was the recap for today. An awesome day. We caught a really nice move in the morning, and that's pretty much all she wrote. Couldn't ask for any more. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm probably not going to be posting the next couple days because I will be in Disneyland, but who knows? Maybe I'll make like a mobile video or so going over the data. That would be kind of fun. But if you guys want me to make another recap video, leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'll do that mobile. If you guys really want me to and I get enough comments in this video, I'll do it mobile while I'm out of town. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome evening. I love you all. See you in the next one.